The condenser, or air conditioner, is the unit that sits outside of your home. This is where cooler air is generated by the refrigerant and sent back into your home. In 1842, John Gorrie made the first machine that used a condenser to create ice, and was later granted the first U.S. patent for mechanical refrigeration in 1851. The evaporator coil is located inside the home and receives the refrigerant in its liquid form from inside the furnace. Did you know having a reliable HVAC company come out at least once a year to service your unit will help catch small problems before they become big problems?